What's going on, YouTube? Back out here in the garage, getting ready to install this pulley on our 2018 JKU. It doesn't look like it's too terrible. I think once I remove this air tube, I'll be able to get in there and get a little bit better look at what I'm trying to get to. So I'll show you guys as we go along here. The reason I'm going after this is I've got a kind of a whirly sound that I haven't been able to pinpoint. And while I was under the Jeep doing the arms and taller springs, I think I pinpointed it to that particular pulley. And once I started searching around, it does sound like these are fairly common to go bad, and the only way to replace it is to replace the entire thing. It looks like to me what we'll be doing is taking the belt off, unbolting and rebolting this, and put the belt back on. So we'll see how it goes here. I'll bring you along. Alright guys, I got this, this is the old one, got it out. Basically I used, so it sits in there where you've got where you can put a 1/2 inch drive ratchet in there, relieve the tension, slip the belt, and remove the 2 bolts, and it came right out. I did kind of want to show you here. So definitely a bad bearing in that. Like I said, comparatively the new one spins real easy. So assembly looks identical. Nothing between the old and the new look at all different. It's almost like a shock tensioner, providing tension on that. But again, this bearing here is perfectly fine. Get this new one back in there and I'll kind of bring you along. Like I said, there really wasn't too much to it. One bolt sat right up there. The other one was lower. But yeah, I'll kind of inspect a couple other things here and get this back together. What's up guys? So got this all buttoned back up, started it up. The sound is better than it was. There are 2 more pulleys which I don't have to do, but they're either side of the alternator. There's 2 more little idler pulleys there, but I'm wondering if maybe one or both of those. One has quite a bit of play in it, so I need to see if I can't hunt those down, replace those as well. They are all plastic, but I'll have to look for those, see if I can maybe find those and replace that, maybe get this thing sounding right again. Like I said, for a while now it's been sounding it's kind of an odd sound, kind of a whirl, which I related to something like a bearing in something going out. Again, like I said, this bearing in this is definitely shot. And like I said, those other 2, one of them definitely has some play in it. So it may be the rest of the noise that I'm hearing, but I need to see if I can find them both, just replace them both at the same time. But that was a pretty straightforward installation. Like I said, you got 2 bolts. This one actually sits up top. This bracket sits in there a lot like this. This one goes up toward the top. This one's off to the side. You do have to, in order to get the belt back, basically you're tightening your 1/2 inch drive ratchet. I was actually using a breaker bar to provide a little more leverage, easier to hold. So I had to provide tension there to get the belt back on it. But definitely seems to be an improvement. Like I said, I think one or both of those other two are starting to have the same problem. Nothing real difficult about replacing these. The other two actually have a bolt that runs through the center, bolt it in place. I'm hoping that maybe I can just loosen the bolt, take the bolt completely out of the way, and then the wheel will slide aside from the alternator. Again, I'll have to provide loosen the belt by, again, tightening, or tightening this to allow the bolt to have some play in it, or the belt to have some play in it. So that's it, guys. As always, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and we'll catch you on the next one.